Hey, what's up you all? This is Steve, your Captain Chef. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to share with you an easy recipe. It's called garlic chicken wing. Meant for cooking, healthy eating. Without further ado, let's get started. Soak the chicken wing in cold water for an hour to remove blood. Make a few cuts on the wing to help flavor get through the meat. Chop a clove of garlic with a food processor. Add the garlic to the chicken wing. Add 1 tablespoon soy sauce, a tablespoon oyster sauce, a tablespoon cooking wine, a teaspoon salt and sugar, finally a teaspoon pepper. Marinate the chicken wing for 20 minutes. The other ingredient you need is red and green pepper and the scallion. Remove the garlic from the chicken wing to prevent it from burning during pan fry. Prime the wok using vegetable oil to prevent the chicken wing from sticking to it. When you see smoke come out from the wok, pour out the hot oil and add some cold oil. Fry each side of chicken wing at a medium heat for about 5 minutes until they are golden brown. Add lid to the wok to help the wing get fully cooked. Now take out the fully cooked chicken wing from the wok. Add the garlic sauce to the wok and start stirring fry. Add the chicken wing to the wok and stir and fry. Finally, add the pepper and scallion. This is the garlic chicken wing. It is very flavorful and easy to make. I hope you can try it at home. If you like this video, please give me a thumb up and be sure to subscribe my channel. Your support means a lot to me. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.